Today we stand at the banks of the Jordan. The water is still, the crowd is silent. And suddenly, Jesus steps forward.
Not a sinner seeking forgiveness, but the Son of God choosing humility. He enters the waters, not to be cleansed, but to sanctify them.
He stands where we stand. He carries what we carry. He walks into our brokenness without fear.
And then the heavens open, the Spirit descends like a dove, and a voice thunders from above.
You are my beloved Son. With you I am well pleased.
This is not just Jesus' moment. This is our moment.
On the day of our baptism, God spoke the same words over us. Beloved chosen claimed.
We were not baptized to remain silent. We were baptized to shine, to stand for truth, to love without limits, to bring Christ into a wounded world.
Baptism is not just water poured once. It is a fire that must burn every day.
Today let us return to the Jordan. Remember